1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer, stands puzzled in front of radar equipment. Why? His chocolate bar just melted in his pocket. Unbeknownst to him, he'd stumbled upon the tech that cooks your meals in minutes.
Transforming radar technology into the microwave oven wasn't easy. It took vision, tests, and a bit of popcorn popping to prove its worth. Ready to test your knowledge? What was the first food specifically cooked for demonstration purposes in the microwave? Was it A, popcorn, B, egg, or C, bacon? Before we reveal the answer, why not share this fun fact and score a sweet kiss? Ready for the countdown? Let's keep the excitement alive. Did our journey from chocolate to microwaves spark your interest? Drop a guess in the comments, hit follow for more inventive tales, and keep exploring. Who knows, you might be the next great inventor. The microwave didn't just simplify cooking, it showed us how curiosity and perseverance can cook up wonders. Keep your eyes open. Your everyday might just be hiding the next big discovery.